What's going on, guys? Dwayne here with my investment journey, and I am back again. In this video, I want to talk to you guys about this company that has paid dividends for the last 65 years. Not only have they paid dividends, but they have increased dividends for the last 65 years. This is my second dividend payment with 3M, and I'm very excited to share with you guys. So listen, if you're new to the channel, once again, my name is Dwayne, and on this channel, I talk about how to invest in the stock market, and I show you my investment journey. So be sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Okay, so you're looking at my portfolio right now. This is as of Friday, June the 23rd. You can see that at the top right of the screen, or you can see it at the bottom of the screen on the computer where it says June 23rd. So you're looking at my portfolio right now. This is live as of Friday, June 23rd. And you can see that for today, I am down $7,750. Okay. But I wanted to share with you guys, once again, a dividend paying company, which is 3M. And a lot of you guys probably know 3M, but more importantly, they've paid dividends. They've increased their dividend payments for the last 65 years. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the 3M tab here and show you guys right now they're trading for $100.72. And you can see here my average cost per share is $95.55. And I currently have 239 shares. And my total return overall is I'm up 3.25%, which happens to be $758. And 3M actually went down quite a bit. Actually, it jumped up yesterday, and then of course it went down. So if I show you guys the week here, you could see yesterday it jumped up after hours. Well, you guys can't see it here because it's not on here, but it did jump up yesterday. It says 103 right here, but it was actually higher than that. It was like 105 yesterday at some point. And then, of course, today it's down. So you guys can see right here that it's down. I guess, well, I say down, but down in comparison to yesterday. So as you guys can see, I'm currently up, which is really exciting. It's always good. I just kind of stumbled onto this company because I've heard about 3M. And of course, I'm going to show you guys that I've gotten my second dividend payment, which was on June the 12th with 3M. So the first one here is on March the 13th. You can see at that time, I had 35 shares and they're paying $1.50 for each share, which allowed me to get my very first dividend payment of $52.50. Now, of course, I used margin investing to grab a lot more shares just in time before the ex-dividend day, which is normally, if the ex-dividend day, let's say, is on the 3rd of the month, you should purchase shares on the 2nd of the month. You want to purchase shares at least the day before the ex-dividend day, because that's how you will ensure that you're going to get a dividend payment. So I used some margin investing and grabbed some shares, some more shares. And as you guys can see here on June the 12th, I went from 35 shares to having 235 shares, and they're still paying $1.50 per share, which allowed me to get my most recent dividend payment of $353.33. Let me see if I have dividend reinvesting turned on. I'm pretty sure they went ahead and grabbed some more shares because right now I have 239 shares, and initially I had 235. So I'll scroll down here and show you guys where Robinhood went ahead and grabbed some shares for me automatically because I have dividend reinvesting turned on. So as you can see, the dividend payment was on June 12th for $353. And then also on June 12th, Robinhood went ahead and grabbed 3.45 shares at $102.40. Now, of course, right now 3M is trading for $100.72. So sometimes when you have dividend reinvesting turned on, DRIP on Robinhood, of course, sometimes it works in your favor and sometimes it doesn't, right? Now would be an example where obviously had I waited and purchased the shares myself, maybe I would have gotten lucky and purchased more shares here because now it's $100.72 as opposed to the $102.40 that Robinhood went ahead and grabbed more shares. So the reason I have DRIP turned on is because it's easy. It's a no-brainer. I don't have to go in there manually and purchase my shares once I get my dividend payment. So that's once again the reason why I have that. But I wanted to share with you guys once again, my second dividend payment with 3M. And so I could figure out what my next payment's going to be, because 3M is paying $1.50, and I have 239 shares. So we'll do 239 times $1.50. So my next dividend payment is going to be $358.50. It's going to be $5 more. I think my first one, my most recent dividend payment was for $353.33, and the next one is going to be for $358.50. Okay, it'll be really interesting. This is a very, very solid dividend paying company. Once again, this particular company has paid dividends for actually has increased their dividend payments for the last 65 years, which is ridiculous. This is a Dividend King, and a Dividend King is a company that has paid and increased their dividends for the last 50 or more years. So consider looking into 3M. If I give you guys a little snapshot, a little overview, you can see in the last month, they're up $1 and something cents. The last 3 months is down. As a matter of fact, the last year is down, and the last 5 years is down. You see, this is the last year. They're down $29, which is 22 cents. The last 5 years, they're down 50%, which is a lot, right? But in those last 5 years, they've still managed to pay dividends, and not only did they pay the dividends, they increased the dividends. So this is a solid company, and a lot of you guys might be familiar with 3M. Believe it or not, they have a bunch of different products. For example, there's window tinting or film that they provide. There's also tapes like Scotch tape as well. And so 3M is a pretty decent company, but I wanted to take the time to make this video just to show you once again my second dividend payment with 3M, which is a Dividend King, and that means that they've increased and paid dividends for 50 plus years. So consider checking them out. And of course, you know, it's your money. You decide what's worth your time and energy. All right. Thank you guys so much for watching this. If you're not subscribed, be sure to subscribe. Give the video a like as well. And once again, my name is Dwayne with My Investment Journey, and I approve this video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Until next time, take care and be blessed. Peace.